I got D in HR, organizational behavior. So I was called by Dr. Kamla Chowdhry. Why that you get B, B plus in all other subjects? So being a student of engineering, I was reasonably good in maths. Even in accounting, I picked up after 10 classes. Coming back to HR, I told him, I don't know what you teach. I know 2 into 3 is 6. 2 into 4 is 8. What you teach, I'm not able to understand the use of it. Then she explained to me that in the organization, you will be dealing with a large number of people. You have to know how to handle them, how to motivate them. This subject gives you the skill to learn it. Then I said, all right. So later on, I managed to, mug it up, रट के पास कर लिया, C तक आ गया. कभी C plus से बेसी नहीं आया. But when I came back to life, I realized that I can hire people for everything, but HR I have to practice. Then I realized how important the subject is, how to retain, how to behave with people, how to motivate them. That I had to know myself. I could not have hired anybody for that. It's a very, very important subject, I would say.